This is the Hundop knife set. This is it specifically in the 15-piece black knife set for kitchen. And it has a self-sharpening feature right here that you can literally sharpen your knives with, which is really, really nice. As you can see in there, there is the sharpener. You'll literally just take it and then, you know, sharpen it like so. But other than that, it comes with a lot of different things. I'll kind of go over those, but yeah, it is, all of these are dishwasher safe, so you can put them in the dishwasher, which is really nice. But it comes with this nice little block. I'll kind of show you the back and all around. Love just the sleek black color. It looks really good on countertops. And it comes with these scissors or these shears, which are really nice. I like those. And then it comes with an 8-inch chef knife and also a 8-inch brake knife. So this is the brake knife, and then the chef knife. I have to, hold on, find. This is the 7-inch Santo knife as well. This is the 8-inch chef knife, as you can see. And then it comes with just 5-inch utility knives. I have to find which one is there, as you can see. And then it comes with a 3.5-inch paring knife as well, which looks almost exactly like this. And then it comes with 6 different 4.5-inch steak knives. So love that. And just works really, really good. And then also the handles are really, really nice. They're ergonomic, really easy to hold. They don't slip or anything. But the blades are really, really sharp, especially when you first get them, so you want to be careful. But these knives are made of high carbon stainless steel, and they are just really, really durable. They are also rust proof, which I love, and they have non-stick coating as well. So really love that little feature. But yeah, it's great. Works really good. It comes with a lot of different variety of knives. And again, I just would highly recommend if you're looking for a little knife set.